this assessment asks us to tell whether the reactions in an earlier assessment produced primary, secondary, or tertiary alcohols. In this case, we're starting with an aldehyde, and we're reacting it with an organolithium reagent followed by an acid quench. This is the product that we expect. Now, in truth, we're going to get two different diastereomers. I haven't shown that. Here's our new stereocenter. We would expect the hydroxyl group to be forward in one compound and back in the other. That's not relevant to this question. What is relevant is that the alcohol that we've produced here is a secondary alcohol. How do we know? Because the carbon that has the hydroxyl group present is attached to two carbons. So this carbon with the hydroxyl is attached to one carbon and a second carbon. That makes it a secondary alcohol. And we can generalize then the reaction of Grignard and organolithium reagents with aldehydes will produce secondary alcohols. With ketones, we get tertiary alcohols. If we use formaldehyde, we get primary alcohols. But in this case, secondary alcohol is what results.